Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're in photo mode and ready to leave. Act now. First, make sure the game isn't frozen in a cutscene and your controller is responsive. Once done, bring up the photo mode overlay so you can see the on-screen controls. If you're on the PS4 remaster, you use the touchpad to enter. On older hardware, you use select or the menu button. Identify that same input so you can call the exit action immediately and avoid extra navigation. Now perform the precise input to exit. Press the same control you used to enter photo mode. For the PS4 remaster, press the touchpad once and release. That toggles the camera off. On systems using select or a menu button, a quick press returns you to gameplay. Make sure to watch the heads-up display and confirm the camera overlay disappears. This is how you know control has returned. If you remain in the overlay, repeat the same input deliberately and avoid holding buttons. Finish by testing movement and combat to ensure you're fully out of photo mode. Press analog sticks and attack buttons to verify. If the overlay persists, press the pause/menu button to back out to the pause screen, then resume. That often forces the UI to reset. If neither method works, reload the last checkpoint or quit to the main menu and reload the save. One key troubleshooting tip: restart the game only.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.